as a lover of all tools and equipment, do you need a crane like this in your garage? Well, you have a couple of questions to ask yourself. First, do you have a garage? Because they're a big mother and they need to be stored somewhere. Secondly, you'll have to ask yourself, have you got a smooth floor? Because otherwise they don't like rolling around. Now, I'm in Ireland and these sell for about €200 or so. But you have to ask yourself, if you are thinking of buying one, how many times will you use it to get value out of it? And do you need it? I've used it to wash and degrease an engine and used a wheelbarrow under it to catch the water as I was washing it because it was cold outside. I've also used it to put an engines up on the bench, to rebuild bikes by hanging the frames off it until they became a rolling chassis. I used it to install and then to lift up again to paint the floor under my bike lift. I even used it to pick up my Nikon when it fell over. And I've even used it outside to put the oil tank up here on these blocks all on my own. You'll have to ask yourself, do you have the space? How many times do you think you'll use it? And is that value for money for you? These are questions you'll have to answer before you think about buying one of these. But so far, I've been very happy with it and it's been a lifesaver for me. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.